Hi, I'm Malik, this is first tutorial and song Gabriel. So just 4 chords: B minor, A, G and this strange chord. And all chords you can play with open strings. I can fly. And again. And just in the bridge, you can't use these chords, but I usually another chords. This is B minor with A, B minor with G, and B minor with F sharp. This one, my angel Gabriella, my angel Gabriella, my angel Gabriella, my angel, my angel, my angel, my angel. Gabriel, Gabriel, Gabriel. So, and about strumming or finger picking. First verse, you can't use this strumming, but after first verse you need something rhythmic, and I play usually this one. Okay, snare. I show you very slow. Faster. And you know, this strumming good for many songs. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. If you want to thorough song, write me about it. I'm poet, genius. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Good luck. This song stopped.